how to add Newsbreak Pixel to your Blender. In the Ad Manager Newsbreak interface, go to Tools, Event Management, create test web event, choose Pixel, choose Custom Code, and you need to choose View Content for your Pixel because it's for the Blender. And here you will have two pieces of codes. So all we need to do is copy first piece. It's please copy paste the following snippet into the header section. So go to your head. I repeat, it needs to be head, not because there is tag header, and you need to use head section. It's the place where the scripts you need to insert. And copy the piece of code which will make the script fire. And basically that's it. Save and forget. Oh, it's not enough save and forget, so you need to insert your tracking, your Blender URL here, and press go test and then save. So for example, I have this landing, it's without the code. Let's check, test, it's without the code. And now I will copy the script and insert at the end of a head section. Save it, and retest. Come on. That's it, success, and you can save it. So that's how you need to insert the Newsbreak tracking code for your Blender.